I just ordered this Scotch 700 electrical tape. This is how it looks straight out the box. This is my go-to when it comes to electrical tape. I have used this electrical tape for a number of years. A couple things I like about it: I like the thickness and I like the adhesive that's on this electrical tape. Connections that I've had made years and years ago are still intact and still holding with this Scotch tape. Other electrical tapes I've used, they're either too thin or the adhesive doesn't hold up to resistance, it doesn't hold up to moisture, it doesn't hold up to the elements very well. And now let's head over to my dryer. I've got a project that I'm working on, trying to do some repairs on my dryer, and I'll show you how this Scotch 700 does on these connectors. Hold on and we'll be right back. So here I've got my Scotch electrical tape on this connector right here, and I'm confident this isn't going anywhere. This is going to hold up for years and years to come. I've used this tape for a number of years and definitely have been pleased with it. So if you're looking for a quality electrical tape, definitely give the Scotch 700 some consideration.